Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm still your girl Victoria and this is my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I install this stand holder. Like, it's a mini tool that is very good for vloggers. If you are a vlogger and you need a tool that is really mini that you can carry about, that is portable and durable and useful for your vlogging, you can always have this tool. So I needed something that I can go to work with, that I can just put in my handbag, go to church with, go anywhere with, and that I would just put in front of myself and, just vlog and just do videos without having to hold my phone by myself. So going through the Nigerian online marketplace, GG, I got this particular one and it is really durable, and it's really durable and fine. So right now I'll be going into the installation process in proper. Keep watching. So this is what we have here. The stand holder is a new series stand holder, and this is what the carton looks like. So I just browsed through the online markets and I just chose it randomly, looking at the reviews that I saw under the advert post. So these are the stuffs that we have inside. We have one, two, something that looks like a rope, and three. This is the third thing that we have in the carton. So we are going to make it stand just as it is standing right in that picture. So the first thing I am going to do is to pick this long one, which is quite adjustable, because I saw that the holder will be adjustable. Even the neck can be adjusted to make it longer or shorter as I want it, however I want it. So right now I have these that it looks like a bolt and a knot, so I'm going to loosen it. So this is what I have, and then there's something on the top of the long one that looks like a ball, where I'm going to fix in the bolt. Yeah, so I'll just keep it there, and then I'm going to put the flat head. I'll put it from the back. Yes, so I'm just going to make it tight, and then I will tighten the bolts around it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm getting the bolts tightened right, and then it has to be very tight, because that is what is actually going to be holding the phone or the camera, and it's actually adjustable, you can see. So the next thing is to fix it into the base. Yes, that's the base, or let me say the stand. There's a hole in there where you're just going to fix in the rope, and then you're just going to, you fix it properly and make sure that it is tightened so that it will not pull off, and then you have your phone on the floor. So right now we have the stand holder installed appropriately, and it is actually ready to work. So we have it right here. Are you seeing that? So that's it.